Well guys, this is just a small video about the galley tour. Once you get selected on a cruise ship as a chef, you will be working in this place. Now this is the hot kitchen, you can say. It is huge and it is clean. Actually, all the places on a cruise ship is clean. You can see that person is wrapping up and another chef is getting ready. He's preparing for the dinner. You can say, oh, that is a lamb chop, I guess. Wow. Now you can see some of the passenger. This is called galley tour. Now he's also preparing for the dinner time. Now guys, be ready once you get selected as a chef. Now there is a lot of work, no doubt, but there is a lot of fun also. You can see these people are enjoying also at the same time, and that is the main fun of working on a cruise ship. Lot of work and lot of enjoyment.